Listen. Prayer is the ability to attract God's attention on earth while God is in heaven. Umthandazo amandla umayibuthu magnet wokususa izulu ezulwini lizohlala kuwe kodwa luselihlabela umnikazana besezulwini. Then there are then three ways in which God answers prayer. Ukuphi indlela ezintathu uNkulunkulu aphendula ngayo umthandazo. Dokotela namhlanje ngizawucela ugqoke izipho zokudokotela ngizamile. Three ways in which God answers prayer. I know ukuthi scriptures kafunda sengipha scriptures amaningi. Ngizazokunika namanye manje. Number one, God can answer your prayers through human level or in the human level or through human beings. uNkulunkulu uyayiphendula imithandazo yakho ngokuthumela abantu. Kwabanye ngoba ngikhona nje bengilethe impendulo zemithandazo yakho. Imbabane Alliance had to pay for me to be here to answer, to be an answer of your prayers. But can I tell you, ngobuhlela panje uyimpendulo kumlothilo bethandaza ukuthi you've been disobedient. Ngala wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ekuthuma emntwini ungayi wena udla amandla lo muntu. Umenza uNkulunkulu abe umqambe mama lo muntu. Ngoba uNkulunkulu wethemba wena ngaye wena besubamba in your human will. In the human level where God answers, there is in bracket a human will. Lo muntu othunywayo une right yokuvuma noma engavumi noma adleleke ethunyelwe kuwo. Asizameke ngoba uthe ivesa siyakalufunda. uJesu ku-chapter 22 kaLuke ku-verse number 42 uthandaza umthandazo wodwa kodwa onezinto ezimbili. Uthi le cup ayidlule engaphuzi kuyo athi not my will but your will. Juthi will yakhe ithi angaphuzi